Mitsubishi Outlander. Check it out. If it is a good, nice car. Checking it. It's nice. And see, the performance is good. If you open it, it has a lot of room. Here, where you can put the... This is how it looks like inside. And I will open this inside of this car. So, check it out. Here, this is what is inside the Outlander. It is a 5-seater with room at the back. Okay, that has all the paper there. Okay, see it. Have to check as this starts. Air is good, roomy, and it has this navigation. I have to connect it, and this is it. It has a warning that says door is still open and you have to close it now. So here it is. These are all it is for the all this. And it is nice and beautiful too. Here. There's a map. There you go. Okay, looking good, and it has power.